Hello, this is Miss Jones, 9 o'clock p.m. Michigan time. I just wanted to give you a review of my solar lights in my backyard. My last video, you seen my backyard during the day. And as I go along, I will also update you on some of the upcycled solar lights using fabric tack for the glue and Dollar Tree solar lights. This is one of them. You will see this in a DIY. As you can see, it's been raining, and if you watch my last couple videos, I have been complaining of all the rain, but fabric tack is holding these in, and each and every solar light still works. So as it gets darker, they will go on. They hit the sun all day long, and then at night they light up. Alrighty, I posted a picture of my backyard in 2016, so I'm going to start in my backyard and show you what I have in this corner and go from there. This is an upcycled Dollar Tree solar light with fabric tack glue, and it is raining right now, so bear with me. So here's the view of my backyard. I'm going to snap a picture to compare it to the one I uploaded, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, it's raining again. I went to record. My camera said battery was dead. I spend about $15 a month on batteries. When I upload all my pictures, videos to YouTube, I come back out and yeah, it's raining again. It's still bright, and I want to take you through the garden while the solar lights pop on, but it's raining, and it don't look like it's going to stop in 5 minutes, but if it will, I'll take you through real quick. So I'll sit here in the garage, listen to some rock and roll, and wait about 5 to 10 minutes. If it gets too dark, we'll have to resume this another night. Once again, it's Friday, June 14th, 2019. Well, Mother Nature is cooperating, and she did let up a little bit. It's around 25 after 9. Here's the solar light that starts us off with one of the gates. Here is a cute little solar light I made Dollar Tree. It's lighting up, it's holding up well with the fabric tack. Yes, that's the peephole on our fence for the dog. Isn't that a neat idea? I had that installed when the fence was installed. Like I said in my last video, I stained both sides of this fence, and it took me all summer. Well, it's not exactly really dark, so this one's not staying lit right away. So let's continue while it's not raining cats and dogs. Here we have the little campsite you seen in the last video during the day, and the two little light bulb lights are solar lights. Here's the crown that we added last video, and the solar light from Dollar Tree, and of course there's the wind spinner. We don't have much wind, we're just having a lot of rain. I did mow today, and my gosh, I don't know how many mushrooms I mowed over. This backyard was full of mushrooms. There's another solar light. The pathway lights are lighting up. These are pathway lights. And here's another solar light lighting up with my pink petunias. Wind spinner. This is supposed to light up, and it's not. Just depends on how much sun they get during the day, and today has been a very cloudy day. And here's another solar light. This was made for my poodle Peaches that passed away. That's our memorial. It's supposed to be a fountain, but I do not have it going this year. And here's a solar light that has not lit up. There we go. The magic touch. It's a little number that I created with some crystals hanging out of the flower pot, looking like it's rain. Solar light. This is a hubcap I upcycled. The solar light's not going on, so that has to be either replaced or thrown out. What about this one? Oh, it's barely working. You can see how the rain is getting in my stuff, but that's from store-bought. Here's a cute little another Fairy House Arts gas station that was given to me from my former landlord, Bob. Here's some cute little lights that are coming on. And here's the crown that I put on Legacies. Look at that. I strung up some solar lights around it. I could string more because there's still some more to poke through. But it gives the idea. She's wearing a crown in the evening. Another tiki light. And some more lights coming on. Looking pretty. And here's another solar light, but I don't see it on. Oh, there's another one that needs to be replaced. Here's a flickering candle one that's working. Every once in a while I like to go through the yard to see what's working and what is not. And the butterfly is working. The dragonfly is working. The Dollar Tree upcycle is working. Here's another Dollar Tree solar light I made. Find that video. This is very easy to make. Painted it in copper. I created all this landscape from all the different wood that I stained. I added ceiling tiles for a rust effect, and they did rust really well. And the solar light's on. This is a bee. Over back here, tiki light's going good. And look at this. These are pink geraniums solar lights. I think I found these at Collections, etc. online. The light's working. Isn't that cute? I love those. Continuing on, this solar light doesn't look like it's working. Oh yeah, there it goes. It's not dark enough right here. Isn't that funny how some of them light up and some of them don't? My cuckoo bird's supposed to light up. It's not. But that's alright. It's still a cute little cuckoo bird, so I don't really care. And here once again is that upcycle that I started with in the video. Look how beautiful that highlights this whole area. There's a tiki light. This is a fountain, but it's not running. I do not want to run it. I'm running one in the backyard. That's enough electricity for the summer, plus my air conditioner when it goes on. I don't want to pay the city of Bay City all my money. Here is another solar light. This is a ladybug on a leaf. Isn't that cute? These are such cute things. If it's unique and cute, I find it. I don't want something somebody else has. Can you tell? Here's another butterfly light. And of course, I think I skipped over the dragonfly one over there. But those have been lasting me 2 years. Now the sun and the moon's supposed to light up. But that's okay. I'm not really caring this year. I have a lot of other things. And then I have a little fountain back here behind the garage. There's not much I can do back here, but this is the extra feet that we gained when we put up the fence. I'd like to grow stuff back here, but there's raccoons and possums, and they tend to dig under the fence to get to stuff, so I really don't. I have the fence all blocked, and I don't want them coming in my yard right now with Nova, with my puppy. She's small. She's only 4 pounds. She'll want to attack a raccoon, and she's going to lose. And there's a solar light in here in my plant. There's my cuckoo bird hiding underneath this peach tree. He's cute. He's supposed to light up too, but that's alright. I'm not worried about it. And then there's another tiki light. These tiki lights ran all last summer, all winter, and right now. Best investment ever. Find the video. I do a review on them and where I purchased them from. Here again is these adorable pink geranium solar lights. Those are awesome. I wish I could do a whole pathway with these. During the day, they look like pink geraniums, and at night, solar lights. Alright, now I'm going to head up here, and I'm going to show you the Dollar Tree lights that I made a month ago with the hummingbird feeder and the Dollar Tree solar light. Okay, there's the one with the iridescent pearls. It's working fine. And then there's the one with the other iridescent pearls inside the garden chair that I made. Now, here's an angel from 3 years ago. And that's when I used E6000. And I've already re-glued it this year. So it only lasted 2 years. Okay? That's why I don't use E6000 anymore. Once everything is in the sun, it heats the glue that's bonding the items, believe it or not. And here's a cold flame solar light. I was inspired to buy a few of those this year because of the Game of Thrones and Viserion. And Viserion turned into a zombie. These aren't on yet, but those go on. And then last but not least, here is a solar light at my other gate. Look who's in the window. Miss Tortellini, how you doing? Yeah, I know. We purchased this awning a month or so ago, and then we did a review on it. But this is the awning just to place shade for the cat so she can look out the window during the summer, because this is full sun all the way into the evening. Now it's rain cover for me, but I don't think it's going to last through the snow. This is not heavy plastic. It's like cardboard, clear cardboard. You know what I mean? It'll do for now. I know it'll hold up to the wind, but I don't know about heavy snow on it. Well, thanks for stopping in, watching me light up the solar lights from the backyard. Soon we'll do the front yard and everything that lights up, so you can see how the transformation was from the front yard. And I see there's a solar light right here working. Oh yeah, I placed a Dollar Tree light inside of it because they burned out, and they're like stained glass type solar lights, and I couldn't find batteries for them, so I threw a Dollar Tree light in it. I think I have to find a Dollar Tree light. Oh no, there it is. It's on. It's just not as bright. See it? Yeah, it's highlighting it. Okay. So I found out I have to just replace a couple of them. And yes, up on my tables, the bumblebees and the ladybug. I showed that in my last video while I was sitting here having coffee in the morning. This is what they look like at night. It lights up the little picnic area. Alrighty, I think I finally, oh, here it is, that light came on. This is another light that stayed all summer, all winter, and now in the spring. It's a little bit different brand than the other ones, but they're working. My neighbors tell me they love watching these lights come on at night. These tall ones that you can see above the fence. The rest of the yard the neighbors can't see. They have to come over to visit. Oh yeah, and I removed the front yard from my neat watering can and placed it in the backyard because my front yard has more garden chairs. So I brought this one in the back. Isn't that cute? This has lasted 2 years as well. And I also show you on a video how to string lights through a watering can like this. So thanks again for watching this, having patience with me. Here's my water gauge. I just emptied this out a couple days ago, and it says it's about 2 3/4 inches of water. Sheesh. That lights up at night. It's a solar water gauge. And then yes, I have a few more of those pink carnation or pink geraniums. I placed them right here. And there's the Dollar Tree fairy solar light I made. Isn't she adorable? She's just sitting there all warm and cozy while it's raining. Look at the raindrops. So yes, my yard transfers into a really whimsical wonderland in the evening. I don't decorate at Christmas time. I decorate the 3 months for the summer. It's a lot more fun. It lasts longer than a month, and then plus solar lights are cheap. I don't need electricity to turn them on. You know, I'm retired and on a budget. Have to be frugal. I'm not going to stay here at this house all my life. This is my son's house. He's 22 now, so. But we'll get her decorated and looking nice. Maybe he'll find himself a girlfriend that's crafty like me, I hope. Right? Alrighty. Good night. Sleep tight. Have a great weekend. Father's Day in 2 days. Send my blessings out to you and your family from me and mine. Good night.